He's one of our successful investors that's linked up with buyhomesdetroit.com. How you doing today?
Hi, I'm George.
George, how long have you been in the real estate game for?
Well, Ryan, I've been buying and selling real estate since the early 70s. And I've been a professional real estate broker in California here for the last 15 years.
Awesome. So it's pretty safe to say that you'd be considered pretty experienced in the investment field.
I would say so, yes.
With the amount of experience that you have, why did you choose to purchase property through us as opposed to just going out there and doing it yourself?
Well, I have a pretty successful business out here. I'm busy. I really like what you explained to me, how you have a whole setup out there, and I don't have to deal with it, and I don't have to worry about it. And you guys have come through 100% on what you promised me. Just last week, just closed my first deal with you, and I'm extremely happy with it. Right now, I've asked you, and I hope you can come through on this, I've asked you to identify another 4 to 6 properties for me.
Now, when you say just closed on your first deal a week ago, you mean you closed on the purchase of it or the sale of it?
I closed on the sale of it. The whole process taking about 4 months from the purchase to the sale.
And what type of return did you experience on that, percentage-wise?
Well, I hate to talk about money, right? But it's much better than you can make in the stock market, and certainly much better than you can make in an investment right now today in California. That's for sure.
And it sounds like you've had such a good experience. You're asking us to identify some more properties for you. How many more are you asking us to identify?
I just asked you to identify 4 to 6 more properties for me, so I could continue my investing in Detroit.
And last but not least, on those 4 to 6 videos, what is your strategy going to be on those? I'm gonna buy and hold those for a couple of years minimum, so I have the tax advantage of long-term capital gains. We're going to tenant those properties, and then I'll move on to probably some other properties. Awesome. Thanks for doing business with us, George, and we look forward to doing business with you in the future.
It's been a pleasure, Ryan.